Hi kids, today we are going to learn the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Repeat after me. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10, 5 twos are 10. Repeat after me. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 50, 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20, 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25, 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30, 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35, 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40, 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45, 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50, 5 tens are 50. Now repeat the whole table after me. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Hope you have learned the table of 5 by heart, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Fun Learning with Kanika for more videos. Thanks, bye for now.